Can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete. When you cheat, we lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on.
Y'all, welcome back into my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc here. We got another synthetic wig review, y'all. This is a new one from Sensationnel. They have this new Kinky edges line where the hairline is kinky, like natural. And so yeah, I got one of those right here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw that on. This video is gonna be an installation and just showing you from start to finish how I work this unit and my thoughts and all that good stuff. Okay, so yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button for your girl. Okay, help a sister out. But as y'all can see, this wig, like it's big head friendly. Y'all know I have locks under here. It's big head friendly. The lace is like pre-plucked. The lace is really soft and stretchy. Like there's no issues with the lace at all. I did even go in and cut some ear tabs out, just because like when you cut that part, it kind of lets you pull it forward further. And I kind of have like my sideburns are like really like I have to pull that part. So that's why I do that, y'all. Just throwing that out there. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. Okay, so we're getting ready to lay this bad boy down. I am using a product which will not be named. Y'all know they canceled at the moment, so just use any lace spray that you have and go ahead and spray it all around the hairline. I do this first and I kind of comb back my hair. When you slick your hair down, like your actual edges, it makes the install so much more smoother. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, just kind of using my finger to press everything down. And usually I'll have like a fan or like a blow dryer, but I was being lazy, so I'm just using the stock card. Honey. Like, use what you got, okay? So once that was complete, I did go in with the second layer. I recommend to use 2 to 3 layers, y'all. So it's getting hot out here and we do not want your wig lifting. So please use 2 to 3 layers and make sure that it's dry before, doing each layer. So yeah, I'm going forward and letting that dry, and then I went ahead and placed the lace in there. Sometimes I'll cut it into 3, but it just depends. But this lace was super easy to install, y'all. Like there was no reason for me to have to do all that. Like, so this, I would definitely say this is beginner friendly because you can definitely make it work. Like you can definitely make it work. Then I went ahead, put an elastic band on. Okay, this will further melt the hair and get everything how it needs to be. And then as far as parting this hair, I recommend parting with your finger and kind of like doing a rough draft, because like y'all know with curly hair, once you part it, like it's gonna start losing its curl pattern right there. So yeah, be careful. But this hair, it wasn't too bad. It didn't lose any curl pattern or anything like that. So as y'all can see, I'm just playing with the edges. I honestly am unsure about the edges because they need to come forward to hide the the line, but then when you bring them forward, you kind of have this big gap in between like the curly hair and like, you know what I'm saying? Like it just kind of looked a little weird. So you'll see me kind of figuring that out in the video further along. But I went ahead and cut the lace, y'all. Y'all know how I do. This is how I cut the method. This is the method I use for this install. I like always change it, but for now, this is what we're doing. And I did want to insert this clip in here because a lot of y'all have asked me, like, how do you get the ear tabs to lay down so good? And it's like, girls, sometimes they come up. It came up during my install. Like, you just really have to be patient with it, and you have to apply way more love and care and layers of spray to this area. Okay, like this will be the first area that lifts. It's the area that has the most tension on it. So you really need to make sure that you have enough product and that everything is laying on your, like, not on your hairline, on your skin, right before your hairline. Like, make sure that it's flat. I had to go back in with the spray and the elastic band, but that's okay. You know, I did want to show that it's not always like perfect patty or whatever. Now, y'all see me playing with the edges. Like I said, there's like a line of demarcation in between like the fluffy part and then like the actual hair. So I'm like, I don't know if I like this or not. So I did go ahead and kind of gel the baby hairs down. I was like, I need to kind of figure this out. Also, I do want to note that the lace is very light/white. Okay, so you will need to tint the lace. I probably could have used like some type of tinted mousse or something, because yeah, it was really white. Like, especially, like I said, that little line from the kinky baby hairs to the hair, like it's a gap and it is white. Okay, so you definitely will need to use makeup or whatever you need to use. I always recommend the Ruby Kisses, the cream one, not the powder one, just because it helps further like conceal the knots, and it just like stays where it's supposed to go. So yeah, that's what I used. And like I said, I went ahead and just kind of like gelled the edges down because I wasn't sure. Like, I've had kinky edges wigs before, and it's always like a time trying to get it to like look decent, because like I feel like with this one you had to get the baby hairs to go over the line. You know, you'll see the line of lace. So I was just really conflicted with this one. But like I said, when I glued it down, when I swooped the baby hairs down, it didn't look so bad. But the baby hairs were not that long, so I didn't get a lot of long swoops out of that, if that makes sense. But I probably should have just left it alone. But, you know, it is what it is, and this is how I chose to install it. That's pretty much it, y'all. I did go in with the hot comb, and I further got that part flat. You always want to get the part, like, flat to your head, especially, like, where it's parted. And then for this specific hairstyle, I did choose to put it behind my ear, so y'all see me doing that. And I'm just further, pressing that down. I did go in the front just a little bit for a little poof of volume in the front, just so that it can fall really cute. And y'all, this is pretty much it. Like, this was a super easy install. This is 13 by 6, so you're able to do like anything that you need to do with this wig. So I love me a deep side part, so that's how I chose to style it. But the options are endless, y'all. Like, this is a really cute, like, natural wave. I love the length of this. It's very like face framing and flattering. You can definitely cut some layers in here. I haven't had a synthetic wig this texture before, like this wave pattern, so it was really cute. The hair is really soft. There wasn't a lot of shedding with this one, and like I said, the lace is pre-plucked. The lace is really good, y'all. Like, these wig companies is doing the big one, and I'm like so here for it. Y'all just see me kind of playing with the lace here. I was just trying to make sure that no lace was being shown, okay, because this came out really good, and I really liked this unit. I would give this one an 8 out of 10, simply because I do not like the line in between the kinky edges to the hair. It's just like too much of a gap. It's not really bad. It's just, something that I'm seeing on this one that I'm pointing out. And if you guys have a fix for it, let me know, okay? But it's not bad. I'm just throwing it out there. This one is bomb, okay? I'll check out the description box down below in the comments, okay? We'll see the link to this hair. I also have the link to my outfit linked as well. You can find this on Amazon. Also, check out my link, y'all. I put a bunch of everything that I wear. I try and link into my website, so make sure y'all visit that, okay? Everything will be there. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments. Have you guys tried this one? Do you guys want to see me try more in the kinky edges line? Okay, I know they have like a few more. They have at least like 10 units in that line. So I definitely want to see what the rest are hitting for, because this one is really cute, okay? Like, my girlfriend loved this one. It's definitely giving vacation wig. Like, you don't have to do too much with the baby hair. I mean, even though I did, because I'm extra, but, you really did. I didn't really have to do all that. You didn't have to do all that, sis. But, yeah, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Your support does not go unnoticed. And as always, thanks for watching.